so it's May 19th. It's about 5 o'clock according to my watch. And we got here, we're excited for the fireworks.
We have not seen Happily Ever After yet. We're so excited to finally watch it. We waited, I think it's been a whole week since it, has it been 7 whole days?
Yeah,
I think so.
It opened on May 12th and it's May 19th.
And
here we are, we're excited. We're gonna go do some fun Magic Kingdom things and then we'll see the fireworks later tonight. So excited. It is all of our first time seeing Happily Ever After.
Tears.
There's a castle right there if you can see it. How do you guys feel? How are you excited?
Very excited. So excited.
Is there something in particular you're excited to see?
The projections, the lasers.
The lasers?
Really awesome.
Any characters we're excited to see?
Lipstick.
Maleficent? Okay. Who's yours?
Yeah, we're big fans of Maleficent in our house.
Tangled and Frozen.
I'm excited to see Quasimodo. That's who I'm excited for. Okay, let's see if there's anybody else. Is anybody excited to see Happily Ever After? Anybody? Woo! Anybody excited to see Happily Ever After? Anyone? All right, I like it. Anybody over here? Alrighty. Yes. Okay, great. We got some people excited. Woo! It's gonna be a good night, everybody. Woo! It was truly phenomenal. Okay, everybody say your favorite part. Start.
Tinkerbell and the floating lights.
Oh, beautiful. Maleficent.
All of it.
All of it. Yeah, there was that part where all the fireworks keeping up with the times and the technology. You did a wonderful job. There's the castle one last time.